Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more credit information. Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to bring you a video on how you can pre-approve for this Belk MasterCard. Now, if you're new to my channel, I bring you information on credit no matter where you are on your credit journey. We're dedicated for credit education. I am not credit repair. So if you like this kind of information, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Now, if you're looking because you have some credit issues, I do have letter packages at my website to help you remove negative information. And you could check out that in the description of the video. Now, with this Belk MasterCard, it will help you build your credit. And with the MasterCard logo, you won't just have to exclusively use this at Belk, but you can use this to rent a car, to rent a hotel room. You can actually buy groceries with this card because it has a MasterCard logo on it. So this is great for people who are trying to build credit. Now, these stores are primarily located in the South, like in states like Alabama, Arkansas, Florida, Georgia, Kentucky, Louisiana, Maryland, Mississippi, Missouri, North Carolina, Oklahoma, South Carolina, Tennessee, Texas, Virginia, and West Virginia. But you can make purchases online. And the store, for those who are not familiar, in the Northeast or other places, it's like J.C. Penney's, and they have been in business for over 190 years. And now they are offering a soft pull pre-approval to approve for their MasterCard. And it is also a rewards card. And you can see if you pre-qualify for their card. So let's go into some of the details of this card. Now, understanding some details about this card, with this card, it is a soft pull pre-qualification. And so what that means with pre-qualifications or pre-approvals with soft pull, the company is trying to see if your credit profile fit the profile or customer base they are looking for. Now, pre-qualifications or pre-approval do not guarantee that you're going to get the card, but it's about 90% of a chance that you will be approved, but it is not 100%. You can be denied. But the good thing about pre-qualifications and pre-approvals, you're just not aiming and applying for credit cards and just getting denied without any indication if they are looking for your type of credit profile. So they will give you a green light that you are the type of customer they're looking for, and then you can go ahead and process the application. But it still would result in a hard inquiry either way, whether you get approved or denied. But soft pull pre-qualifying does not impact your credit score. Now, the positive part of not just applying in the dark, you're not getting a ton of hard inquiries. And if you're trying to build your credit score, anytime you get a hard inquiry, you lose about 3 to 5 points. So you don't want to keep doing that, just applying for credit that you're not going to get approved for. And if you've been following my channel, if you have a 700 credit score and below, you know, by adding positive lines of credit like credit cards, unsecured lines of credit, which is like credit cards, it will increase your credit score by 50 points on average without removing one negative item. Now, the bank that's underwriting this card is Synchrony. Synchrony is known for lower credit score approvals. So for this card, it's about a 640 credit score and up. They have a store card and MasterCard versions of this card. Three types of MasterCard versions for this card. Now, with this card, it is 0 annual fees. So instead of getting a subprime credit card like Credit One Bank with higher annual fees of maybe $75 to $100 a year, with this card, you won't have that high annual fee. So that is the positive part of getting this credit card, and you can use it anywhere. But this card do have an interest rate of 25.27%. And that is on a higher side, but you're not being charged that if you're not actively using the card. If you charge something, you want to make sure you pay it off. But even credit cards like Credit One Bank, they have 29% interest, or even sometimes higher or lower depending on your credit score. So if you're trying to build credit, this is a great option if you are approved. Now, they do have 3 different kinds of cards. And like I said, this is underwritten by Synchrony Bank. They do pull from TransUnion. And like I said, you want a minimum credit score of 640 to qualify. The great thing about Synchrony Bank, if you get approved this card, they do give increases if you request it via a soft credit check. So a soft pull. It will not result as a hard inquiry if you request a credit line increase. So you can build credit limits pretty fast if you maintain your credit and have good payment history with Synchrony Bank, and it won't damage your credit just by asking for an increase. Now, they have the Belk rewards card, and it's an insider card. And then they have a premium card holder and an elite card holder. Now, it all depends on the rewards, depending on which tier card you have. And of course, you're going to have a better credit score to qualify for the elite card holder. So the points goes from 4 points to 7 points, depending on what card you have. It includes some free shipping, and it all depends on the level of card that you have, and also a birthday reward across the board for $10. Now, you can apply for this card, and you can see if you pre-qualify. Now, first, I suggest you guys try to pre-qualify before doing the application. And as you see here, this is no impact to your credit score, you guys. And the good part about this card, they're offering you a MasterCard. But if you don't qualify even for that, they do have a store card, so you can check that out. I'm going to leave the link for this site in the description of the video and in the pinned comment section. So, or if you're looking to build your credit, this can be a great option. You can use this card anywhere because it has a MasterCard logo. So this gives you a real good option if you're trying to build credit. So I hope this is helpful. If you have questions, just leave it in the comment section. And I look to see you in the next video. Stay tuned.